In this video, I'll show you how you can fix unable to add a new DNS record on GoDaddy. So as you can see, if I want to click on add new record, it's great and I can't click on it. So this is really simple how you can fix this. It's not working because you are not using GoDaddy Name Servers and you have custom name servers. So you just need to click on name servers here. And as you can see, I'm using Vercel name servers. So those are not GoDaddy's name servers. So you just need to click on change name servers here. And then just click on GoDaddy name servers recommended. Then click save. Now click continue. And now you just need to refresh GoDaddy page. So I'm going to refresh it. Now if I click on DNS again, now you should see GoDaddy name servers. So those are the GoDaddy's name servers. Now if I click on DNS record, you are going to be able to add a new record. So if I click on it, it's working and you can add a new DNS record. So this is how you can fix unable to add new record on GoDaddy. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.